you guys, welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead. If you're new to our channel, my name is Kirsty, and today was going to be a video about us starting seeds, and it is still hopefully going to be, but it kind of turned into a video about soil that you should not use. Now, I am not saying to not use Fox Farm products. We have been a huge supporter of Fox Farm over the years. Okay, we have started years and years worth of produce with Ocean Forest. We love them, okay? But that being said, last year we did not have the greatest luck with them. It didn't go as planned, and that could have just been the climate. I know that a lot of people didn't have great luck last year. But that being said, this is a bag of soil that we bought in the last week. I have started 3 flats with it, and there's mold in it now. And I have to say, I have picked off wood chips that were on top of each of my flats that started molding immediately. Okay, we're not talking like they got wet in somewhere. We're literally in our dining room, so it's not getting that damp in here. So there is no reason that this soil is molding, okay? So it's really important that you make sure that you keep an eye out for stuff like that. When I was planting the flats, those flats, the peppers and the lettuce, oh sorry, it's 4 flats, not 3. And the plants are absolutely growing in it, so it should be okay, but we are like making really sure that none of the cells, these are like each little cell, none of the cells are molding, because that will kill your plants, okay? So you have to really make sure that there is no bad bacteria in your dirt, okay? So I just want, this kind of turned into a PSA video, which I wasn't planning on because I really need to get eggplants and herbs started. I'm hoping that maybe the other bag is better. I'm going to have Justin bring it up from the greenhouse. We bought them both at the same time, and it was actually in our house until this morning, so he'll have to bring it back up. But hopefully it is not the same way, because if it is, then I'm gonna have to bring it back and get our money back. It's too expensive to have dirt that we just can't use, you know, and we use this every year to start our seeds with. So yeah, anyways, if you guys have had any experiences with buying dirt that is moldy right out of the gate, let me know and tell me what you did. Okay, we've absolutely had flats mold in the past. Typically it's when it gets cool and really wet. That's typically when we have had stuff mold. But in this instance, I believe it's the wood chips that are in this that are molding. So whatever the wood chip is that's in there as a filler, which are way too big of wood chips, by the way. I was picking them out when I was planting those flats. But yeah, I gotta say something about it, right guys? Like, that's not acceptable. You can't be charging $17 a bag for something that is gonna mold in a week. Like, nope, not acceptable. Anyways, all right. Well, I hope you guys learned a little something from this video, and we will be getting out a video for starting our eggplants as soon as possible. Hopefully it will be today if that other bag is good, right? All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.